Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here today. We're gonna attach these ears to the hood. I already have this one on here, and what you're gonna need to do is this row right here, we're gonna count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna put your needle through this bead, this white bead here. And then we're gonna go through these two white. And then we're going to go through this white bead. You're going to pull that tight. And then we're going to go through these two white. And then we're going to go through this clear. And then we're going to go through these two white. And then we're going to go through this white. And these two white. And now we're going to go through this white bead. It's really hard to see here. And then we're going to go through these two white. We're going to go through this clear. These two white. And then we're going to go through, whoops, this way, this white bead. And then we're going to go through this one. And you're going to want to pull that tight, and then we're going to take the needle and we're going to go up these 3 pink and up this white. It's just easier to tie right here. And then you'll tie it off. And what we did was we just did the same thing on both sides. You want to make like a little triangle, I guess. But then we'll cut this off. And that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.